Good morning, students. Myself, Sir Mandan. Today we will do again a revision of EVs 2. आज हम एक बार वापस रिवीजन करेंगे और ये रिवीजन है फुल बुक का यानी कि फुल EVs 2 ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन वापस एक बार रिवाइज करेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट, लेट स्टार्ट आवर रिवीजन. So students, today we will start again a revision. This is our last lecture about revision. So let's start. First is fill in the blanks. The science that tries to understand past event is called dash. Answer is history. History is not written slowly on the basis of dash. Answer is imagination. The time that we are in now is the dash. Answer is present. The dash and dash and dash are linked by a continuous change of events, past, present, future. Answer each question in one sentence. What is the scientific method? The method of using a number or different tests to determine whether the evidence is reliable is called the scientific method. Of which action is India independence the result? Answer is India's independence was the result of this historical action. The India's fighting against the British government to get independence. What does the study of history make possible? The study of history make possible for us to know what is and what is not favorable for the progress of human society. Answer is question in one sentence. What are the sources of history? Ancient objects, structures, sculptures, pots, coins, inscriptions, copper plates, books, manuscripts, traditional stories and songs remember over many generations, etc. are the sources of history. Name the types of sources of history. Sources of history are of the three types. First is material sources, second is written sources, third is oral sources. What are linked by continuous change of events? The past, present, and the future linked by a continuous change of events. What is history? The science that tries to understand past events is called history. Classify the sources of history using the chart given here. First is material source. In material source, coin, pots, fort, copper plates, old structure, pillars, rock, cut caves. And in written sources, letters, inscriptions, stones, biography. And in oral sources, traditional stories and songs, songs and folk tales. Fill in the blanks. India became an independent nation on dash. Answer is 15th August 1947. The time that is yet to come is the dash. Answer is future. Sources of history are of dash types. Answer is 3. The dash includes many events that have already taken place. Answer is past. Second lesson, history and the concept of time. Fill in the blanks. The calendar we use today is based on the dash. Answer is Christian era. The period before the Common Era is known as the tide. Answer is BCE. Our dash rotates around its axis at a certain speed. Answer is Earth. The dash has its own light. Answer is Sun. The Earth takes dash hours to complete one rotation around its own axis. Answer is 24. Match the following. 1 week. Answer is Monday to Sunday. 2 weeks. Answer is fortnight. 12 months. Answer is a year. 4 weeks. Answer is a month. 100 years. Answer is a century. Answer is question in one sentence. Which scientific method are used to estimate the age of the layers of soil and the remains found in them? Answer is dating technique are used to estimate the age of the layers of soil and the remains found in them. How is the first century of the Common Era written? The first century of the Common Era is written as 1-100 CE or 1-100 AD. In whose memory does the Christian era begin? The Christian era began in memory of Jesus Christ. Name the two periods of history. First is prehistoric period, second is historic periods. Name the following two eras that are used in India. Answer is Shalivam Shaka and Vikram Samved. The founder of Islam. Answer is Prophet Muhammad. The Parsi community in India used the era dash. Answer is Shahi. The new era or Shaka started by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Answer is 1674 AD. Full form of AD. Answer is Anno Domini. Full form of BC, before Christ. Smallest unit of time. Answer is a second. Complete the chart given below. Time in history. First is prehistoric period and second is historic period. Fill in the blanks. A method of dividing time is known as the dash unilinear division. The lifetime of Vardhaman Mahavir is written as dash 599 BC dash 527 BC. The lifetime of Gautam Buddha is written as dash 563 BC dash 483 BC. Our solar system came into being about dash 4.5 billion years ago. Answer is 4.5 billions ago. Answer the following question in brief. What are the units of measuring time? First point, measuring time is to measure the length of time. Second point, we know the following unit of measuring time. Second, minute, hours, day, week, fortnight, month, year, century and millennium. Third is a second is the smallest unit of time. Write short notes on. First is prehistoric period. Answer is the prehistoric period is the period for which no written records are available by which to write its history. Historic period. Answer is historic period is the period for which written records are available using which we can write history. Third is dating technique. Answer is by this dating technique we learn how old the layers of soil and the remains found in them are. Then we can determine their period approximately. For example, earthen pot is estimated to be 5000 years old with the help of dating technique. Chapter number 3, Life on Earth. The dash is the only planet which life is known to exist. Answer is Earth. A dash organism is seen through a microscope. Answer is unicellular. The living world on the earth consists of dash and dash. Answer is plants and animal. First living organism appear in dash. Answer is water. Answer is question in one sentence. What instrument do we need to see a unicellular organism? We need a microscope to see a unicellular organism. Where did the protozoa appear first? The protozoa first appear in water. Answer the following question in brief. How were the sun and the planets in our solar system created? Around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at great speed was formed in space. Its circular motion and great speed caused it to divide into several portions, this creating the sun and the planets. Write any two characteristics of animals. First is animal breathe. Second is animals move in order to get food or for other purpose. Fourth is evolution. Fill in the blanks. The first systematic explanations of the concept of evolution was given by dash. Answer is Charles Darwin. Dash are the most evolved animals among vertebrates. Answer is mammals. Answer each question in one sentence. What do we call animals which live in water and also on land? We call amphibious animal which live in water and also on land. Where did the first humans appear? The first human appeared on the African continent. Give reason for the following. The species of dinosaur which are enormous in size suddenly became extinct. Answer is the species of dinosaur which were enormous in size suddenly became extinct due to some suddenly natural disaster or environmental change. So students, today again we have did a revision. स्टूडेंट्स आज हमने वापस एक बार फुल यूएस2 का लेक्चर यूएस2 का रिवीजन लिया ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चंस. स्टूडेंट्स कल के वीडियो में आपको रिवीजन था और वही रिवीजन से ही क्वेश्चंस आपको यूनिट टेस्ट में पूछा जाएगा और आज वापस मैंने आपको फुल रिवीजन लिया है, उसमें से ही आपको क्वेश्चन यूनिट टेस्ट में आएंगे. सो स्टूडेंट स्टडी वेल, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.